Welcome to another video. Keep watching to see how to make this quick and easy card. Shown here are the supplies that you need for this card. All you need is one black pen, a pencil, and some paper for the base of your card. All of the specific items that I used will be linked down below. The first step is to draw out the design in pencil. Once you're happy with the design and you've finished drawing it out in pencil, take your black pen and outline it. I started with the text bubble, and then I went in and I outlined the word hooray. An easy way to customize this design is to simply change the color pen that you're using. Once you have everything outlined, the final step of this card is to color in the background with your black pen so it's solidly black, and keep the word hooray white. And once you have the black background colored in, this card is complete. I decided to go over the black background twice with my pen, so essentially coloring it in twice, as I found the first time didn't quite give as uniform a color as I wished. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and try making this card yourself.